It really doesn't take too long to lose your mind doing demolition. First day's not too bad. Second day's a little worse. How about day 3? You're killing bugs with a sawzall. You're chopping up things that don't really need to be chopped up. Busting through walls just because. It's easy to get lost in this lifestyle. For those of you unaware, please brace yourself for what you're about to see. This may change your life. I know, man. I feel so bad for these people. They're everywhere.
It's just the house.
Yeah. I counted this guy saying, "You know what I mean?" 38 times in one day. That's pretty impressive. Hell, he says it twice in this video.
The 2 drinks are like $7 a piece. They're like $15, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I've kind of messed up my outfit working so hard today. So we gotta do a quick fix real quick where I can get back under the house and do some work.
Yeah, if I had a 2-shot, it'd be in me in here laughing. Would be shot number 1 about how I'm fixing to bust a hole in this wall.
And me saying what's about to happen.
and Zig going, Chris is fixing to come to the wall on the other side here.
$5 or whatever, you know what I'm saying? And he made me pay them a tip. Did he make y'all pay a tip too?
Yeah, on the bill.
Like I said,